Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I downloaded some stock image from unsplash.com and I'll make new preset for you guys. And let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's jump into the tutorial. I'm going to the Photoshop. It's just open in a Photoshop. Now I'll make preset by using this photo. Press Ctrl or Command J, and for the backup layer, go to the filter, camera filter. In this filter you're getting all the steps for the adjustment and other steps like Lightroom, and I'm using Camera 13.0. And if you not yet update your Photoshop 13. Or Camera, please just check out my video description for the download link. And from here we're getting the basic panels. From here I'll decrease the highlights and the exposure a little bit. That's good. And from here vibrance, I'll make the vibrance like this. That's good. And the texture a little bit up and clarity a little bit up. The blacks a little bit up and whites a little bit up. And now the shadow a little bit up. Highlight, I'll make the highlight down more and like this. Okay. After that, going to the curves, and if you need, actually you can use a little bit warm tone, actually cool tone, and the tint +4. That's good. And here the curves options, from here I'll lock up over there and making the gamma like this. That's good. And now I'll go to the detail options, adding some sharpening, and then going to the color mixture. From here I'll increase the luminance of the orange and red just because of the face color, and here the yellow as well, and green a little bit, aqua a little bit, and the purple and magenta. That's good. The saturation, which is the percentage of the color, I'll increase the red and green actually. So a little bit. Aqua, I'll make it down. And a hue, which is color, like color build, which color will be of that relevant color. Like blue, I'll make it a little bit aqua tone. That's good. And the orange, I'll make it a little bit like that. That's good. Now most important thing is the color grading. You are getting the three portion, which is the shadow, highlight and midtone. So this one is the midtone and highlight. The shadow, the darker portions are shadow, highlight portions are highlights, and the middle of that is the midtone. Now at first I'll give the color in the shadow. Sometimes you won't expand this one, just press over here, it will expand, and add some little bit saturation, and then just take the hue, which should be like that. So which type of shadow color you want to give over here, suppose like this. And now the mid-tone, I want to give the mid-tone like this or like this. And now the highlight, what color will be in highlight? So it could be like this, this or this. That's good. I'll make it a little bit down. That's fine. And now going to the effects, adding some vignetting like that, and the calibration. Now I'll work with the calibration. So the color will be like this, hue and the saturation like this. The green will be like this and like this, and the blue primary, I'll give the blue primary color like this and the saturation like this. Now I'll go to the basic again. From here I'll add some temperature a little bit and a little bit saturation down, and blacks, I'll make the black like this. The whites, I'll make the whites like that, highlight a little bit up, and the shadow like this. From here the color mixture, the saturation of the green, I'll make the saturation green down, and the luminance up of the green, and the hue of the green will be like this. So let's see the before and after. before and after. Now I'm saving this preset for you guys, going to the small menu, save the settings and saving it out and giving this name moody 2020 and hit the OK button. So you're getting the before and after hues change. Now we'll apply this preset into this type of another images. So going to the open options, from here I have that same types of photos. Suppose this one, press Ctrl or Command J, and then going to the filter, camera filter, and from here the load settings options, and recently going to the moody and load it up. So you are getting the same tone over there. So before and after. If you need to change the lights and other steps, you should go to the basic portion and you can just change up that and hit the OK button. So let's try this type of another photo. Going to the open options, and here is another photo. Press Ctrl or Command J and go to the filter and then camera filter. After that, load settings options and just apply that. So you're getting same tone, and in this photo I should increase the whites a little bit, okay, and the exposure a little bit. Okay, let's see before and after, traditional and like trendy, and hit the OK button. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend, and if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment in my video comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. And if you want to collect the preset and you can customize all the steps, please check out my video description. And if you want to get the like updated link of the 13.0, please check out my video description. Stay safe, stay at home, keep me in your prayers as well. Bye bye.